In this video, I'll show you how to record audio in Canva without using a camera. First, open Canva. Below the search bar, click on Videos, then choose the video size you want to create. Once you select the dimensions, you'll be taken to the editor page. From here, you can start building your video. On the left-hand menu, click Uploads and add any videos, images, or files you want to use. Now, to record your voiceover, go to the top right corner and click Share. Then select Present and Record and click Go to Recording Studio. Here you'll usually see the camera option. If you don't want to show your face, simply choose No Camera. After that, select the microphone you want to use and click Start Recording. You can now record your voiceover. When you're finished, click End Recording at the top. Your audio will be saved automatically. Click Save and Exit. Now go back to the left-hand menu, open the audio section, and you'll see your voice recording there. Just drag it onto the timeline and place it where you want. That's it, you can now continue editing your video or presentation. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe.